Independence Day to everyone. Myself Shreya Vinash Rakta from Standard 10th. As we all know, we celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of our country, India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from British Empire on 15 August 1947. All Indians feel the pride to celebrate the Independence Day every year. India got independence from British ruling on 15 August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most important day for the people of India because India becomes independent after a lot of hardship and the sacrifices of brave Indian freedom fighters. From day onwards, 15 August becomes the very important day in the Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian. From there onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi. Our Prime Minister hoists the flag at Red Fort, New Delhi. We celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives that sacrificed to gain the freedom. Freedom. What does the freedom mean to us? Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistake. Onwards to live united by independence with prosperity and positivity. I want to say Happy Independence Day to everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, Principal, Vice Principal, respected teachers, and my lovely students. Warm greetings to all of you. I, Radhika Gujar, teacher of our secondary school, would like to take this opportunity to deliver a speech on Independence Day. I am sure you will agree to the fact that 15 August holds a special place in our heart and therefore we all eagerly await the day, don't we? It is a momentous day when we all pay homage to our great freedom fighters and remember the glory brought to our nation through their sacrifices, struggle and brave front shown during the freedom struggle of our country. The Independence Day in India, therefore, marks not only the day of freedom of India from the British rule, but it also epitomizes the resilience and the power our nation that has the ability to fight back and achieve its objective that it sets when all the people of our country come together. And in this 73 years, there has been no looking back as India has only been making a progress so much so that the day is not far behind when it will become a great superpower. We did not even complete 4 years of independence and our country got strengthened with the declaration of its becoming a republic guided by the Constitution of India, which the entire world applauds even till today. We are a multicultural as well as multilingual nation that our strength lies in its unity and diversity. From agriculture to technology, our country is ranked among the world leading countries and there is no question of retrieving assets as we are moving on to get bigger and better. On the Independence Day, we not only recall the sacrifices made by our great freedom fighters, but also remember all our nation's achievements which further encourage us to excel in different walks of life. To our delight, today we are counted among the leading 5 military powers across the globe and credit goes to our valiant soldiers who protect our borders day and night so that we can be at peace in our country. They not only protect us from every possible terrorist attack, but also remain available for rescue operation when any calamity hits the country. Now, in the end, let me just say that no nation is perfect and every nation has its share of shortcomings. Also, it is a futile exercise to compare one nation to other because every nation is unique in itself and possesses its own share of strength and weakness. On this Independent Day, let us take pledge to contribute towards our nation's growth and development as best as we can and take it to great heights. However, we do not need any big initiatives to prove our love for our motherland because by contributing such initiatives as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, and lending support to our domestic brands, we can make our country a beautiful place to live in. At last, this is all I have to say. हमारा भारत महान. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Happy Independence Day to all of you.